Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Shopify fraud prevention settings for fewer chargebacks. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left of your dashboard. Click on Payments to access your payment provider settings. In the Payments section, look for the area labeled Fraud Prevention. Enable the option for Automatically Capture Payment. Next, consider enabling the Address Verification System or AVS. AVS helps match the billing address entered by the customer with the one on file at their bank. This ensures the transaction's legitimacy. Next, enable the Card Verification Value or CVV requirement. This adds an additional layer of protection by verifying the 3-digit code on the customer's card. Now, scroll down to the Fraud Analysis section. Review the settings for Automatically Tag Orders as Fraudulent. This allows you to identify potentially risky transactions more easily. You can also choose to manually review and mark any suspicious orders. It's crucial to perform thorough checks on flagged orders before fulfilling them. Next, consider enabling third-party fraud detection apps. Shopify's App Store has various options that can assist in identifying fraudulent transactions. Integrating one of these apps can provide enhanced data analysis and reporting. After configuring your fraud prevention settings, monitor your chargeback rates closely. Keep an eye on trends to identify any patterns that may emerge over time. Adjust your settings as needed based on your sales volume and customer behavior. Regularly check Shopify's reports for chargebacks and order disputes. Use this data to refine your approach and further minimize risk. Implement a proactive customer verification strategy for high-ticket items. This could include requiring additional identification or verification steps. Finally, educate your team about your fraud prevention measures and best practices. Awareness can significantly reduce the likelihood of mistakenly processing fraudulent transactions. With these steps completed, you'll be better equipped to handle potential fraud and minimize chargebacks in your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.